Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda 3 battery. First, ensure your safety by wearing protective gloves and safety goggles. You will need a 10mm wrench or socket, a wire brush, and a terminal cleaner. Park your vehicle on a level surface, turn off the engine, and set the parking brake. The battery is usually located under the hood, often on the driver's side, and is easily accessible for this task. To remove the old battery, always start by disconnecting the negative cable first. This is a crucial safety step to prevent accidental short circuits. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then remove the cable and set it aside. Repeat this for the positive cable. After both cables are free, loosen and remove the battery's hold-down bracket. Now, carefully lift the old battery out of its tray. Remember, it can weigh around 30 to 40 pounds. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the cable terminals with a wire brush and terminal cleaner for optimal connection. Carefully place your new battery, which should be a group 35 or 21R with at least 500 cold cranking amps, into the clean tray. Secure it firmly with the hold-down bracket. Now, connect the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable, tightening both nuts to about 5 Nm. Once the new battery is installed, perform a final check to ensure all connections are snug and the battery is firmly in place. Close your hood and start your Mazda 3 to confirm a successful replacement. Remember, old car batteries contain hazardous materials and must be recycled responsibly. Take your old battery to an auto parts store or a certified recycling center. Many places will even offer a small refund for its core value.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.